Very good morning to all dear students. In our previous classes, I have discussed about types of sentences and how it functions. Types of sentences like simple, complex, and compound sentence. And I have given you a brief idea about kinds of subordinate clauses as it's of three types: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Now I had given classification as well. Now I'll discuss some more about it. Here, note one thing, remember one thing. First, find the function of a clause and then state its kinds. There is nothing in the form of a clause that tells its kind. The kind of a clause depends upon the work. The function of that clause in a sentence. So, function and not the form is the real test. Okay, so you have to find first the function and then the kind you have to state. Now I'll give you some more example to illustrate the point that the same word may introduce different types of clauses. Same word, but it may introduce different types of clauses. So here is it. Where, where is an adverb, we know. Where, how is it used? I want to know where he stays. Here it is a noun clause. I went to the village where I was born. It is an adjective clause. Where I was born, it is an adjective clause. I found the purse where I had put it. This is an adverb clause. Where had I put it? Now when. Do you know when he comes? This is noun clause, when he comes. Do you remember the time? When he comes? This is adjective clause. I was at home when he came. This is an adverb clause. If. I asked him if he would come back. This is a noun clause. If you work hard, you will get through. This is an adjective clause of condition. Who. I asked him who he was. This is a noun clause. God helps those who help themselves. This is an adjective clause. Which. Do you know which way leads to the station? Noun clause. The book which you gave me is lost is an adjective clause. So we have seen that the subordinate clause is introduced by some subordinate conjunction, relative pronoun or relative adverb. Generally, the principal clause has no connective before it. We also know that the same word may introduce different types of subordinate clauses. We have also studied that the subordinate clause may be the same, yet performs different functions. So, we should find the function of a clause in the sentence to understand its kind. Now, a brief description about noun clause. A noun clause does the work of a noun, we all know. It is a group of words containing a subject and a predicate. It depends on the principal clause for its full meaning. Noun clause is used in many ways. A noun clause can function as a subject to a verb, an object to a verb, then the object of a preposition, the object to an infinitive, the object to a gerund, the object to a participle, the complement to a verb. So these are some ways how noun clause can be used. And other than that, it can be used as the complement of an object of an adjective. It apposition in apposition to a noun, and in apposition to pronoun it. It is a pronoun in apposition to pronoun it. A noun clause is introduced by the conjunction